Mastering the art of layering ingredients in cooking. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a flavorful topic: layering ingredients in cooking. This is a phrase you'll often hear in the kitchen, especially if you love preparing meals. Layering ingredients is not just about putting one thing on top of another. It's an art that enhances the taste and presentation of your food. Let's explore this culinary concept together and make your cooking sessions even more exciting. Layering ingredients refers to the technique of strategically placing different components of a dish on top of each other. This method is crucial for building flavors, textures, and colors that complement each other, resulting in a dish that is appealing to both the eye and the palate. Whether it's making a lasagna, a salad, or a layered cake, understanding how to layer ingredients can transform your cooking. Layering is essential for several reasons. Firstly, it allows each ingredient to maintain its distinct taste while contributing to the overall flavor profile of the dish. Secondly, it creates a visually attractive presentation that can make your food more appetizing. And finally, it helps in achieving the right balance of textures, ensuring that every bite is a delightful experience. To master the art of layering ingredients, consider these tips. Start with a base. This could be anything from pasta for a lasagna, greens for a salad, or sponge cake for a layered dessert. Your base should support the layers that follow. Consider flavors and textures. Balance creamy with crunchy, sweet with savory, and so on. Each layer should complement the others. Season each layer. Don't forget to season every layer to enhance the overall taste of your dish. Be mindful of moisture. Some ingredients release water as they cook, which can affect the dish's texture. Choose layers that work well together and won't turn soggy. Presentation matters. Think about the colors and arrangement of each layer. A visually appealing dish is always more enticing. Let's look at some common examples where layering ingredients is key. Lasagna. Alternating layers of pasta, sauce, cheese, and meat or vegetables. Salads. A base of greens, followed by vegetables, proteins, nuts, and dressing. Trifle. Layers of sponge cake, fruit, custard, and whipped cream. Each of these dishes showcases how layering can create a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. Layering ingredients is a simple yet powerful technique that can elevate your cooking from good to gourmet. By understanding how to combine different elements effectively, you can create dishes that are a feast for the senses. We hope this video has inspired you to experiment with layering in your next culinary adventure. Happy cooking, and see you in our next video.